Hi everyone! Today I'm unboxing a new tea set that was gifted to me. I'm really into creating small rituals, and tea has slowly become one of those essentials in my life. So this travel tea set was kindly sent to me by a brand called Umi Tea Sets. Join me as I see this tea set for the first time, unboxing it and expressing my first impressions. So far, I'm noticing that this tea set is really light and compact. I actually tried shaking the box when I just got it and nothing moved, so I was a little bit concerned that there was nothing inside, but then I realized, it's just really padded. So let's see what's inside. They packaged it so well that I practically have to be fighting to open it, which is a good thing for a tea set because that means that they put a lot of effort into making sure that it got to me undamaged, which I really appreciate. Let's talk a little bit about creating rituals. I think what I love the most about tea sets is the fact that they encourage me to slow down a bit. Even taking 5 minutes to make tea feels like a little reset for me each day. I sometimes pair my tea making moments with journaling or reading, my tea drinking moments rather, and tea is definitely a part of my daily and sometimes my creative routine. I'm drawn to softer pieces like this, so I'm happy with the color I chose, and the glaze on the outside is also slightly textured, which I really love. This adds some depth to tea brewing, and the colors are just perfect. As I said earlier, I love the contrast of green and pink always. This feels like something I'd reach for on a quiet morning or a perfect picnic, or maybe to take to work with me because it's a travel tea set and I just love this little bag. It's super stylish and the material is so pretty. So, if you're someone like me who really enjoys creating little rituals, I think sets like this really add to that experience. Is tea already a part of your day-to-day routine? Let me know in the comments if you have any quiet rituals you've developed. If you're into tea, let me know what your favorite kind of tea is because I love talking about tea. I know this isn't really something I do on this channel, obviously, because it's mostly about journaling, but I don't mind talking about tea. This tea set is just gorgeous, and I love this little, what do you call it? Teapot holder that I can rest it on while it has hot water in it. I'm so excited to start making tea in my cute little tea set. Thanks so much to Umi Tea Sets for sending me this wonderful gift. Thanks for spending this quiet moment with me, and I'll leave the details in this description to Umi Tea Sets if you're curious. See you next time, and thanks again for watching. Thanks for always being here.